first you hold down Alt, keep holding Alt, and then you press this Alt at the same time, then you press backspace, then you let go of this Alt, and then you let go, and then you can type pretty much whatever you want. And if it goes all red like so if you just type in like this, and then it just randomly goes red like that, then you just hold down Alt again, same thing, this stuff. Bye.